out here in Lost Woods. We're running 2 crews today. Working on this home so we can get everybody ready for the holiday seasons. Let's go see what he's accomplished today and how things are looking. Okay, so here's the home. And we started on this side over here, and this is kind of what we're looking like. That's where our power is going to start there for our lower level. This whole run here is done and looking really nice. You can see there, looking really good. Coming up and over the eave here. We're gonna have right here, we're gonna have a Y split, and that's gonna come over and end here, and then we're gonna have another Y split here to go across here and then on up and over there. So then we've got a corbel in the middle of this one that we're gonna have to deal with. There'll be more. We'll tell you more on what we do with those, what we need to do with those, like here and here. All looking pretty good. You know, they're set up. We got all our tracks and fittings and everything we need to do. So this is a good day, and we'll update you more as we get farther along on the project. Here's our soffit right out there. That's where we need our power to start. Gives you an idea what we're looking at. And so we're going to utilize this power outlet here, and we've done a pilot hole right here, and we're gonna run a nice piece of track under here to hide the wiring, and he'll have his power supply and his controller right here on the inside. And then this hole will show you where it comes right out the back. So this is our big L up there that I was talking about. There's one on this side and on the other side. Let's go take a look. As you can see, we're not doing the back of this home. We're just doing the front right up to this corner here, going around the front, and then, you know, that way I'll show you. Here's that window from inside, and the power plug's right below it inside there. So we drilled straight out this backside. Our hole is just right up there, coming out that. Oh yeah, you can. I just can't see it. We'll run it straight up there, nice and neat in the track and paint match, and start our power here to run on down like that. Sometimes you got to improvise a little bit if you're doing it, you know, professional and quality and permanent. That way it's gonna be a lasting install and not have wires falling and stuff down later. But anyway, we'll show you that finished product. We're gonna hopefully finish this one up today. And thanks for watching my channel. If you would, please, helps me immensely if you subscribe, and I'll keep bringing you updates. The more subscribers I get, the more I can make time to bring you guys good information. Okay, so here we are wrapping this one up like 10 o'clock at night. Turned out pretty good. Yeah, finally made it. Looking pretty good. Yeah, it's looking great. We've got a Y split there, a Y split there. Kind of show you a little more up close what everything's looking like. It's turning out really good. for watching.